for $49? Really? I could have picked up all this stuff for less than 20, I think. I mean, come on. I have been waiting for this box for what feels like forever. It was just a timing of when I signed up, but it is finally here. And today we are unboxing the Hygge Box. Okay, if you guys don't know me yet, hello, I'm Emily Jean, and I am all about that cozy life. So the Hygge Box is supposed to bring the cozy into our lives. So let's see if it actually does. If you want to hang out, find out what's in our Hygge Box, go ahead, grab your coffee, grab your tea. I've got coffee today, and let's get cozy, and hopefully extra cozy because of the box today. Okay, so the Hygge Box. If you guys are not familiar with the Swedish concept of hygge, check it out. If you are called to living a cozy life, a fulfilled life, first, you're in the right channel. So like and subscribe for more tips on how to do cozy living, subscription box unboxings, hanging out with me and my kiddo and my family. The Hygge Box is supposed to bring us cozy items right to our door. So if you go to shophyggebbox.com, and I'll link that in the description box below, it says cozy delivered, and they also have the most beautiful Instagram, so I'll definitely link that below too. Just very beautiful aesthetic photos to kind of inspire how you may want to invite cozy into your life. Embrace life's simple pleasures and bring the Danish lifestyle of cozy happiness into your home with monthly hand-picked goods from around the world. It also came in this outer packaging that says fragile on it. So it's supposed to be a little mix of home goods, lifestyle items. It is absolutely the most I've ever spent on a subscription box, so I really hope that I'm impressed, and it's one that we can keep on getting. I want to invite more Danish elements into our home and our home decor, so I'm hoping maybe there's a couple items in there as well. We also love candles, lights. Even in our living room, we keep Christmas lights up all year round, like the white lights for that lighting inside. So the Deluxe Hygge Box is the one that I got, and it's spelled Hygge. I said Hygge in my head for the longest time, but it's pronounced Hygge. I'm still probably pronouncing it a little bit wrong. But the Deluxe Box, which we have to unbox today, comes with 5 to 7 hand-picked seasonal items, elements of light like candles or fairy lights, hot drinks like specialty tea or cocoa, indulgences like biscuits or chocolate, home decor, accessories and wellness items, more full-size and delightful items, cozy, happy moments guaranteed. I'm also thinking there was a book that I read about hygge, which was really helpful for explaining the basics, how you can begin inviting into your life, what it means. I also read an awesome book of hygge parenting in that way, which I really recommend. So I'll link both of those down below. They were great inspirations too. So the Deluxe Box starts at $49 a month. Most of my other boxes are around the $20 range, so this was a big commitment, but I'm super excited to try it. And then the standard Hygge Box is also another option. You get 4 to 5 hand-picked items. You still get the elements of light, the hot drinks, the indulgences, and then happy cozy moments still guaranteed. So I will link this all down below, but I cannot wait to see what is in this box. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Let me know what you think would be in it. First of all, look at this gorgeous box. I mean, this is the lifestyle. So if you think hygge, you think those moments when there is no expectation on yourself. You feel peace. You feel, it's like if there's a storm brewing outside and you know that you're at home and you're reading with a good book and you've got a candle or some lights on, or you're hanging out with friends, having dinner and drinks inside your home, nice and cozy. It's that vibe of just being content. It's that energy of content. So we've got the coffee drinks, these socks. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm wearing a sock with almost this exact pattern. Let me see if I can lift my foot up for you guys. So this kind of vibe, you can see my little llama slippers too. Woo! Ah! And then we've got books on their box. Just super, super cute. And it says, this is the address, but I'll link it so you can click it in the description box. And let's see if I can get it open. There we go. It definitely has some weight to it too. Should have got out my postage scale. Let's see how much it weighed. Okay. Here is what we've got so far. Okay, I actually am going to read this because it sounds really beautiful about describing it if you're not familiar with the concept of hygge yet. Hygge is the Danish lifestyle of coziness, and if you are just waiting for the unboxing part, I'll put the timestamp here so you can jump ahead. Hygge is the Danish lifestyle of coziness, happiness, and enjoying life's simple pleasures. It is ritual filled with warmth, comfort, simplicity, and relaxation. It is surrounding yourself with the people and things you love, celebrating togetherness with your tribe, letting go of the everyday, and expressing gratitude for the little things in life. It is about slowing down, being humble, feeling safe, and connecting with your loved ones. It is a way of being. Okay, Happy New Year. Looks like we've got a theme of the box, which is be kind to yourself. And let's see what's in it. Okay, really beautiful. We got some crinkly crinkles. Okay, first thing, we've got some almonds. Oh, not almonds, granola. Activation Energy. Coffee, chocolate, and hazelnut granola. We have got some pencils. Let go of that. Namaste all day. Best day ever. Be a nice human. Good vibes only. Kind people are my kind of people. Happy is the new black. That's kind of cute. First off, I'm a little bit worried that's just a bunch of stuff. But we'll keep giving it a chance. Okay, so we've got an air freshener, Jacqueline Whitney at Thompson Ferrari, NYC. Your heart carries grace, so let grace carry you. Avoid contact with surrounding surfaces. This says a line of mobile frequencies that speak to the heart. The enclosed fragrance. I was hoping it would tell us what it is. Let's open it up and see what it smells like. It doesn't tell you what scent it is, unless I'm missing it. That's very strange. It smells pretty good. It's kind of strong. Okay. We have double chocolate chip cookie. So this is the Noosh double chocolate. It's keto safe, made with organic flax and organic coconut oil. So that looks yummy. Okay, next we have some apple cider vinegar tonics. This I'm actually super excited about. We love apple cider vinegar at our house. I used to get the worst heartburn. It's been something I've had most of my life. And when I was maybe late teenage, early adult, I just used a capful of apple cider vinegar and it was the only thing that would help. There are other things that I use now, but it's a great kind of support for a lot of different reasons. So it looks like we have mood balancing tonics. We have Moon Brew Uplift, Calm, and Sleep, and there are 4 shots in each of these little bottles. So this looks really cool. I'm excited to try those out. Oh, and then we have a candle, of course. Soy Candle Cozy Collection, Hygge House, Plum, Black Cherry, Citrus Amber, Freesia, and Vanilla. Oh my god. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna light that right now. This smells really, really good. I've actually been looking for some candle subscription boxes, so if you guys know of any good, I'd love to support a like a small Etsy shop or somebody who makes them locally, but I love the idea of getting as a subscription box too. So we got our new candle up there. Okay, ooh, a shower steamer. So let me know in the comments if you've tried a shower steamer. I've tried one once before and it didn't really work. I didn't get a lot of scent. I felt like it just kind of disintegrated at the bottom of the shower, so I don't know if I'm missing a part of how you're supposed to use it. But from the ones I got before, you're supposed to place it in the shower. The ones I had before said slightly out of the stream, and then it gives you this beautiful scent as you're showering. This one's eucalyptus, which is supposed to be great for opening your airways, just helping with that kind of energy. So let's see if there's any tips on here. Your shower is your refuge. You go there to think, to chill, to ready yourself for whatever comes next, and it works. So how about an aromatherapy power assist? Place a eucalyptus steamer in your shower and open your pores to a real reset. Enjoy your well-deserved relaxation time with the best nature can offer. So it doesn't necessarily say how to use, but I'll keep you posted on if this one has a scent or not. I mean, it's a good chunk. We shall see. Okay, and then this is the last thing we have in here. I'm a little disappointed, guys. Oh, what do you think? For $49? Really? I could have picked up all this stuff for less than $20, I think. I mean, come on. Come on, people. I'm bummed. Let me know if you know of any other Hygge boxes. This looks really sweet though. Okay, so this is $18 US. Probably would have been happy just buying this journal and not investing in this Hygge box. I would have loved to see for $49 like a cozy throw blanket, a couple more candles. This tonic is a great inclusion, I think, and then maybe one piece of chocolate. I would have been happy with this. All this other stuff, it's just stuff. I like more of a clutter-free, simple home. I'm working on like decluttering a lot, and this is just stuff. Like these pencils would take forever to go through. They'll just be laying around. I guess the granola is okay. But this is a big fat boo. Bummer. I was so excited for this box. Okay, let's look at this though. This does look really sweet. So this is our Sunrise Gratitude 365 Morning Meditations for Joyful Days All Year Long by Emily Silva. This is a keeper. This is a keeper. This is really awesome. Okay, this makes me happy that I did try the box, but I would not say that it makes the box worth that price at all. Okay, Sunrise Gratitude. Let's read today's date. Today is January, what's today's date? Alexa, what's today's date? Oh, she's not plugged in, shoot. January 22nd, maybe? Oh yeah, the inauguration was yesterday, so that's the 20th. Today is the 21st when I'm recording, and then I will post it on, oh no, I'm posting today because it's Thursday. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, let's read January 21st. You have a spirit of fire within you. It is the light that shines within. It fuels your passion and keeps you going when you know something is important. Each morning, you have the chance to calibrate your light as the sun rises. Imagine your inner fire rising within. Will it be a bright flame that burns slowly and evenly, or a burst of energy creating a shock of illumination? Our lights may differ every day, but they never go out. Beautiful. So it gives you 365 guided meditations accompanied by photographs of nature. I don't see any photographs of nature. Oh, I guess at the start of each month there is one. So that's kind of sweet. Could be like a little good morning daily reader. I was hoping there might be some space to actually journal, but that's sweet. Okay, that is literally it in this box. Let's see if there's anything that I missed. Nope. Boo. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Okay, if you haven't subscribed already, I would love to see you in the next video. Go ahead, check out more. I have lots of other unboxings up there. We've got some vlogs and different things going on. Please let me know if you know of a better Hygge box out there. Sending you guys so much love. I hope you have the most beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. So it was just snowing in Maine, and we are going to get the Hygge box. Ooh, let's put it in here.
Zima. Pop, pop, pop.
Hygge box is here.
Wow.